Alright, so now we're going to talk about why Film Booth Ed decided to quit his 374,000 subscriber channel with 238 views that made him $100,000 per month, which is crazy. It's like 6 to 7 figure business. And he's been in the game for 7 years. He's built this YouTube channel with sweat and tears, with crazy editing because his style was unique. It was unique, and the presentation, the storytelling was amazing, and he was known one of the best, respected, and he's still YouTube guru of all YouTube time. So why? Why did he quit? He was making enough money, okay, to do whatever he wanted, but he still decided to quit. So in this video, I will explain you exactly why. Ed was making very broad content, and the broad content wasn't satisfying for him because he was targeting everyone. He was giving general YouTube advice that wasn't enough, because when you give general YouTube advice, you just keep repeating yourself over and over again, and you just keep chasing views, meaning as well that you use popular example to get the most views possible. So you are giving Mr. Beast example, but let's say that I, for example, am an educational YouTube channel. Okay, I'm teaching someone to maybe learn how to code. So to grow on YouTube as an educational YouTube channel, sorry for my writing, you need to make different videos than Mr. Beast. Because Mr. Beast videos are like super fast paced, the intro has to be super clear, you don't want to miss a second. But when it comes to educational YouTube videos, it's more low paced, more value than entertainment. So when you use this, it's not relating to educational YouTube channels, which means that he was chasing views, and while chasing views he found out that he was getting burnt out. He was stressed. He had to make the perfect video. He had to edit like crazy, spent like a whole week or 2 months, 3 months editing a video so he can post one video every 1-2 months, which is just frustrating, right? That's a lot. But also you have unqualified leads. So you want to sell a product, but you're not able to sell it because you're targeting everyone. So we're going to talk about that down below later, about being a generalist and a specialist. But also you're not making enough money, right? You're not making enough money from YouTube. The AdSense is good, but for his YouTube channel that has 370K, thank you, it's just not a lot. You can make so much more. And there are people with around 6,000 subscribers that are making around $1 million. Okay, Charlie Morgan, you might know who is him. He has like 100K subscribers, and I'm sure that he's making $1 million per month from his YouTube channel. So why? Let me give you the example. So Ed was a generalist before, and he was targeting all niches: entertainment, gaming, automation, and education. He couldn't make type of videos that are for entertainment only, because he's gonna leave out the gaming guys, he's gonna leave out the education guys, he's gonna leave out automation. In order to please everyone, he had to make videos that are overlapping, meaning that it has to be general, which means you give generic advice. So when you give generic advice, it's just being repetitive. You repeat yourself all again and again. So you're not solving a specific problem, you're solving a problem for everyone. So when you solve a problem with everyone, you just cannot sell. You sell very little. You're just not solving a problem. So what happened, what I did later that we're gonna talk about, is switch to specialist. And that's what he did. Instead of targeting gamers, okay, entertainers, and automation, he just focused on educators, people that want to educate people and that want to make money from YouTube through education, meaning that he's finding a problem, solving another problem, that problem that he found, to a specific type of people, who business owners, consultants, coaches, even YouTubers, tech, but in that niche only. Meaning that these type of people will pay him like high ticket, like $5,000 for his program. But here, Of course, you could make money, but you get paid maybe $500 instead of this with the same offer. So this is the power of being a specialist. And then now we're going to talk about why he did this and the strategy that he is using now. So now that you know about the reason of his switch, we're going to talk about the new channel strategy. So knowing this, he decided to become a specialist. And by becoming a specialist, he's targeting new people, but that are specific. So he solves a specific problem, which means that people will pay him more money. So he's pretty niche and he helps business owners generate income through YouTube. This strategy helped him make $1.1 million. Now that you know the strategy, we're going to talk about the new channel. Creator Booth, 52,000 subscribers, 39 videos, and with that he already made $1.1 million in 4 months, which is nuts. So, which is 200 a month or something like that, 2.5. Here he had a clear target, okay, targeting business owners. When you target business owners, you're able to give specific advice, YouTube advice for business. A video that could be how to increase your conversion rates, how to make videos to attract your ideal audience, how to make this, how to do this, how to build a sales page as a business owner, what's the perfect funnel as a YouTuber. So you make this type of videos, okay, you will have less views than in generic advice, but you have more qualified, because there is one thing that if you think about it, 1 million views from YouTube, depending on your niche, let's say it could be, let's say $5,000 that you make from AdSense. But then you have 5,000 views and your ticket, your high ticket is maybe $2,000. From 5,000 views, imagine you get 5 people. And that's equal to $10,000 from 5 qualified leads, which means that this is better than this, and it makes total sense. So why not do this one? Why chasing views? Why stressing yourself out? At less views, you make more value. So you create rich content, and less views doesn't equally mean more value, because you cannot have a lot of views and have a lot of these views qualified. But what I'm trying to explain you here, that the views don't matter, because less views could be more value, and you have a better lifestyle, because Ed was able to move to Dubai. He was able to enjoy more time with his family or his friends. He is making more by doing less, meaning that he's editing way less. His style has changed. He's more centered about education than entertainment. He's still having a similar style than before, but less about too much editing. And he's able to sell high ticket products that sell, and that's why he made $1.1 million. I'm just keeping on repeating, but it's crazy. This is now the new game of YouTube. It's just giving value and not chasing views. Views don't matter anymore. If you're here to make a living from YouTube, enjoy your life, not having to be famous, this is the new wave. Find a problem, solve it, make videos about it. Now we're going to talk about the funnel. This is the important part, because people think that the funnel is just something very easy to make. But no, a funnel is how you guide your user through watching your video until buying. So we're going to go through it, because the funnel is what sells. Okay, you can make a lot of videos, and even so value, but if you don't tell your users to do something, or to buy, or to click somewhere, they're not gonna do it. So you are responsible, and we're gonna analyze this about Creator Booth. This is the Creator Booth channel. Okay, he has, in the beginning, whenever you enter his channel, you'll see 2 YouTube videos. Okay, maybe you've seen his videos before, but maybe you just, okay, I'm gonna watch now Creator Booth. You intentionally research it and you get into his channel. You see that, okay, watch these 30-minute videos, 2 videos. Let's say you've watched these 2 videos. Then he makes a video, super valuable, because this is, okay, the same example I've given you. How small YouTubers are making big money in 2024. You watch this video, you're like, wow, this is crazy. Let me watch the other one. And he's like, why I quit a YouTube channel with 370k subscribers? The value is so good here. 30 minutes, you spend time with Ed, you get to know Ed because he tells his story. And then he tells you, okay, now, if you want to build a YouTube growth system in 90 days and grow on YouTube, make more money as a YouTuber, then watch this, then click here. If you want to grow a business in 4 minutes, then click here. This first link, building a YouTube growth in 90 days, will redirect you directly to his sales page, where he will sell you the YouTube growth program, 90 days. And you will get into a call, and he will pitch you there, and he will sell you. And then we have the other one, which is the slower process, because this one is more for people that are convinced and know Ed for a long time, or just, are like, okay, I trust him, he is so much valuable, I'm just going to book a call. But there are some people that need more value. So you will have a link where he will get you to a newsletter. You're going to subscribe to his newsletter, so he will give you this guide. So once you subscribe, you'll get so many value emails. This is the email marketing. You like here, let's say the video was the top of the funnel, and the middle of the funnel is the value emails that you get. So I'm subscribed to Ed, and you see that he is giving like consistently value emails, consistently so much value about YouTube, about how you can grow fast, a lot of value. And then there will come to a point where he will do a workshop, a webinar. So during the workshop, he will send emails maybe daily, or okay, there's 5 days left for the webinar. He keeps giving you value, and then inside the webinar, the workshop, before that, he's gonna explain you, okay, what you will see, what you will get from watching the webinar. And then you get to the workshop, and after the workshop, he gives you so much value. There's a video, there's a Q&A, there's a lot of things where he just drops in he cooks values. And at the end, he gives you a CTA. That is a call to action, where he tells you to go here to book a call if you're convinced and if you get so much value, so we can see if I can help you. He didn't tell you anything about the price. He told you just to book a call. You book a call. Before booking a call, okay, he's gonna bring you to this sales page, and we are going to analyze the sales page. All right, so here we have his sales page, and we are going to deeply analyze it. Okay, starting off, we have the headline. Okay, we're gonna go super quickly. The proven 90-day system for explosive YouTube growth. So then you're already kind of sold from the workshop, but he kind of gives you a headline, a sub-headline about like to really qualify who you are. He gives you a VSL where you kind of watch the video. It's a maybe 18-minute VSL after the workshop, and here you kind of sold. But if you're not sold enough, because you have the headline, sub-headline to confirm that this is for you, the VSL that will go through your pains, your dreams, wherever you want to solve, wherever you want to get. And once you are, okay, I'm convinced, I'm sold, you're going to apply. But if not, if you need to know more, you see some social proof and testimonials. Oh, this guy is legit. Ryan Doris, consulting, this guy, he's grown from 0 to 100K in 6 months thanks to Ed. Wow. And then he really pinpoints, like, is this you? And he talks about, okay, the pain points that you have and the dreams that you want to have, or where you want to get. So he keeps going on, and he talks about his story, about how he went for it, nothing worked. No, he's helped trying to shift your beliefs. Because if you're here, because if you're seeing this and you're still not convinced, he's going to shift your beliefs here and tell you that this is possible. And you can do it by buying his program and do it in a faster period of time. and then he gives you more testimonial, more social proof, more things that it worked, his system is working, and he keeps on going with testimonials, and he tells you now how do you succeed without wasting time. Okay, tells you about systems and just more value. Charlie Morgan, the guy that I talked about, he helped Charlie Morgan. So if you're a content creator and you see that he helped Charlie Morgan makes $1 million a month, you're like, wow, okay, this guy has real social proof, and he gives you, okay, the system, and just more things. He just gives value testimonials, gives value what you will find inside. So more testimonials, and then more CTAs to tell you that, okay, you should book, and it's just not ending. It's just not ending. This is how you can sell a course, a coaching program, a community without sounding salesy. And you know what's the most important thing, my friend? This: value. When you give value, it always equals money. And you have to be genuine. You have to be authentic. You have to say like, okay, I'm going to sell you something because it's helpful for you. If you're looking a free review of your funnel or YouTube channel, make sure to fill the form down below in the description, or send me a message and we will help each other. The